In this video, I will show you how to create a Windows 10 operating system in VirtualBox. I downloaded this ISO file from official Microsoft site. Just hold Shift and right click, you will get copy as path. And click VirtualBox shortcut. Machine, new, Windows 10. Based on the text, it automatically picks this, but it's not mandatory that you need to keep the same name. 64. Let me see whether I have ample amount of space in the C drive. Yeah, 270 GB, that's fine. Next, let me keep some 8 GB because I am not running any other VMs. This is fine for now. Later you can decrease also when running. Create a virtual hard disk. VDI is the VirtualBox format, VHD is the generic format, VMDK is the VMware format. Let me select the default one, first one. Later you can convert. Keep it dynamically allocated so that it will show the disk size of that VHD file, only the used space. If you keep fixed size, whatever the space we allocated, it will keep that complete space into that. So let me keep next 50 GB. Yeah, let me keep some 126 GB. Anyway, it is dynamically allocated, right? It won't use until we go to settings, system, processor. I'll do some 5 processors. Keep other things default. I don't need the floppy disk. Keep the hard disk and optical. Yeah, and this is the boot order actually. Anyway, I will remove from hardware itself. Display. When you enable recording, it will, whenever you turn on the machine, it will provide you option to record that. Audio, let me keep. Default first one is NAT adapter, second one I'll keep some host only adapter. I'll keep hello. Storage. Disk file is enough. Network I kept. I will select this one and I will choose disk file and I will select that Windows 10. And I will turn it on. Click next. Install now. I don't have product key. Let me use it as trial version only. And I will use Pro version. Pro N will be removing those media center options and all. But let me have the full version. Pro only. Let me use the full storage. let it complete this way. I will pause the recording. Let me keep keyboard layout as US only. I don't need any secondary keyboard. Let me keep for personal use. Here I need to provide Outlook account. Instead, I will provide a local user by clicking on offline account. Keep limited experience. Anyway, I'm not using the Cortana and all. And to switch back to that online account, I need to click here. So let me keep a generic name so that I can share this VM with others. Mm, some random. I'll just type one for everything. Not required to sync the history. Digital assistant is also not required. Let me keep accept. If we don't set the password, it won't ask for the security questions also. So the next time the suggestion I can give you is you don't set any password. Just click on next by typing the username, and then once you log into the machine, you can set the password from control panel. Then you in that way you can skip these security questions. Let me pause the video. Yeah, the machine is turned on now. Let me go to this PC properties, advanced settings, remote, allow this, and you can uncheck this one so that you don't need any security and all. So you can take remote desktop of this machine now because we enabled that one. And one more thing is to file sharing. Let me do one thing. This is the registry to enable admin shares. HKLM, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies, system. See whether that existing one is there. Not there. So you need to create a dword, not keyword, dword. Local account token filter policy, set it as one. And you can enable file sharing um, from control panel file sharing option, or you can do it from firewall also by just enabling those policies. So you can access you If you remember, I have set two IP addresses. First one is NAT, second one is private. You see, NAT and host only. Try to connect with host only. 172.16.16.8. As I can enable admin share, $C will open directly the C drive of this machine, and it will prompt for username and password first. As it is local user, you don't need to provide domain. Yeah, the C open directly. This is the C drive here. So whatever you can copy, you can. So if you want to go to desktop, go to users, admin user, desktop. You can go like this. So whatever file you create here, it will be visible there. You see, and if you delete here, it will go there also. I will keep a shortcut to that one. Desktop, new shortcut. Let me shut down this. And you might ask, why don't I install VirtualBox tools so that I can do copy paste and all directly on this machine. But I don't want that background process and everything running on this machine. I want it as a clean machine so that no other process will be running, so that I can run my more advanced processes without allocating those resources to those VirtualBox tools and all. So let me shut down. And let me click on settings. Let me create a snapshot. Clean machine. I'll keep username details here. Password also. Password 123.